Hey guys and girls, welcome back to the channel. What am I doing with this? You're going to find out real soon. Welcome to Chuck's DIY. Okay guys, I've just measured this up from up the top. I've just measured it around about, give you the dimensions. It is 65 millimeters. Not sure what that is in inches. We'll have to just convert. And it is a roundabout 17 mil across, 17 mil across. We've cut that out and that'll fit that. Now the other thing I noticed, if I use the two clamps as everyone else has been doing, I might be able to cut a hole in the front of this dowel and lock it in with the clip. So if I screw it down just enough, I'll be able to still remove the actual thing. Now this is adjustable. You can turn that on the side, it'll do the wall. I need some rubber, because I think the rubber on this has kind of had its day. 1990s, 1980s, late 80s, 90s type material. Wears out a little bit. This one's probably the 90s. Pure gal. Can't get it. You could not pay $10 for that. No way. No way you wouldn't get it for $10. I'm going to cut it with a grinder. I know you guys are not going to want to see me cut that with a grinder and then get these and oil them up. We've already WD-40'd it, but oil them up and pop them onto here, just to go onto here, to lock it in. You don't need to see that. That's it. I'm going to strip these down and see what I can get out of them, because I don't waste anything for $20. No. So just cut it something like that with your grinder. Grab your shifter. We put a shifter here, your adjuster, and bend it in and out until it comes off. And you just have to cut a little tiny bit there, you don't have to go right through. And it just cuts off like that. Beautiful, and that's going to the recycle yard, because I don't waste anything. I'll clean that up with a file, and I'm pretty much finished. I'll post a photo maybe. Alright, only because my wife's using it at the moment. It will be disconnected very quickly. I'm going to cut a notch into here. I'm going to tighten it up. I'm going to use these braces to brace underneath my tiles, hopefully, and this to brace off the side maybe of the house, and that will give it hurricane speed protection, or down here in Australia we call it cyclones. Now there's no cyclones where I am, but the winds can get up to 100k an hour, 110, 120. So I'd like this to be secure, and this is what we're going to do. So that fits nicely into that hole perfectly once I've disconnected it. What I will do is underneath and finish it off. Now, when you make it, when you're running this cable through your roof, this end is the end that you push through the roof. The other end has got a bend in it. So you need the Starlink end to go through. I have got another video. It's on the power supply. You bolt this onto the roof, bolt this onto the gutter. If, you know, you can adjust that, you can turn it. Bolt it onto the gutter. If you've got a fascia like mine, we'd work out another way to put a base plate underneath it and mount it in. But that cost me this bit here cost me $10 with all the hardware, with all the clamps, everything. $10. And you guys are all going to Bunnings to do this stuff. Bunnings. If you can't get it, I'll try and get some of it and supply it at a cheaper rate if I can. Please leave a comment, please subscribe. I haven't even got to 3,000 subscribers yet, guys, girls, everyone. I need those subscribers to build up the channel. I'm not making much out of this channel. This channel is pretty much for everyone else to save money in these times. I'm here doing this on the cheap to save you time and money. Time and money looking for this stuff. I picked this stuff up at me local, you know, your wreckers, your bloody house wreckers, all that type of stuff, your recycling yards, that type of thing. That's where you're going to find this stuff. If you don't have time and you're working, and you need to catch up to someone like me and get me to source something, or get someone in your local area to source something. If you're in America and that, I'm sure this stuff is going to be just as cheap. As cheap. No one's using it anymore. But we can repurpose it, save ourselves $80, maybe even more, than buying it from Starlink. Anyway, that's it from today. From Chuck's DIY. You have a great day. Have a great experience. Hope you got something out of this. And I'll see you on the next one.